Motorcycle thieves spotted several bikes parked on the parking lot. They thought it would be easy target to pick on, but they failed miserably and almost got caught.
Did you see that bag? It smacked me in the face. Yeah.
Uneven road caused the death wobble, which took out this biker.
Okay? Are you okay? Annie, talk to me. Are you okay?
Okay.
Tá bem, mano?
Tô bem, obrigado.
These bikers were parked on the side of the road to check on their friend who just went down. During their inspection of the bike, another biker experienced target fixation, which ended up totaling 3 bikes. Luckily, he survived this horrible crash and he's currently recovering.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm alright. Trust me, I'm alright. Don't panic, I'm good. Oh, God. Right, well, it's rideable. Yeah, man. My first bike crash.
There it went. You got it. You good?
What are you doing?
Idiot or something.
What are you doing?
Idiot.
What are you doing?
Idiot.
What's wrong with you?
You. I'm burying you.
What?
I'm burying you.
Come here! Come here!
This biker stumbled across an accident which just happened, and of course, he wasted no time to check out if everyone involved was okay.
Are you alright, ma'am?
I'm on the floor, please. I'm having some trouble breathing.
Are you? Okay. Just, best you can do is slow in, slow out. I know it's probably just chaotic for what just happened. And how many people were hurt, ma'am?
I don't know. I can't get out.
Yeah, we can't move you or anything, so the best thing to do is just sit tight. You okay? Were you in this car? Yeah?
I turned around because I didn't hear get out.
Who is driving?
She was.
How old is she? Is she younger?
How old are you?
20? Okay. You okay? Nothing broken or anything? Turn on your vehicle's flashing hazard lights. You feeling alright? Feeling better?
You okay?
Me? Yeah, I've just stopped to see what was going on. She's having a lot of trouble breathing right now. They're on their way, okay?
Trouble breathing? It's okay, we got the airbag, so that beats us quite a bit, okay?
Thank goodness you're alive. Just a little longer and they'll be here to take care of you. The professionals are here, so I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. I'm glad you're all right. No matter whose fault, they're all right. It's a younger girl and her brother, so. Nice to meet you, sir. I was just stopping.
Want to take a nap mid-ride and the bike joins you.
Light turned to the green as this biker was trying to filter to the front. Unfortunately, driver on the left didn't notice him.
Porra.
On my navigation, it looked like a bend for me, but it was a crossing. I didn't see this sign. I had to brake very hard, and there was a car coming.
Oh man!
Oh my God. Woo! I'm glad I wasn't behind you. Uh-oh. Not good.
What are you doing?
Before this biker started recording, this driver in black car made traffic violation and then cut into biker's lane, crossing solid line. Even though driver made all mistakes, he still insulted biker. Take a look.
¿Qué te pasa?
Vaya cuidado,
¿Qué te pasa?
Oh! Good? Everybody just said, oh.
These guys were enjoying enduro riding when one of the riders landed his bike pretty hard and received very nasty cut from his foot peg.
Don't land there.
Huh?
Don't land there.
Don't land what?
Landed in a real bad spot.
Yeah, you gotta land like right in this divot.
Overshot.
You good? You're bleeding. Oh, dude, you need stitches so bad.
My peg went into it.
Riding boots, man. Are you good?
That's what, I don't know. I think riding boots would have covered that. Went to maybe here.
Yeah, no.
have to
You
stop
need
the
here.
bleeding now.
Here, you go down. I'll get your bike down for you.
I don't know if I can.
Are you good? All right, hold on. I'm coming. Let me know what the hospital says.
Can't say a word. Whoever takes it, great. But then we do this to get a peck on the cheek.
Fair. It's gonna be hard though, because you're cute and I'm not.
I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose.
Thank you so much.
Damn it! Well, there's one. Kiss, kiss, kiss. You. She didn't do a kiss. The thing is to get a kiss. Well, I got one. I'm just gonna say we both have -1. Yes, one. Get a kiss, get a kiss. Cute. Damn it! Damn it! No talking. No. What the dude? Are you serious? Damn it.
You want? Yeah.
Boom.
You guys are awesome. Bye.
Boom. Don't take it, don't take it, don't take it, don't take it.
Oh, how nice. You giving out roses? Oh, how nice. Thank you.
Can I call her out? Can I call her out? Excuse me. Oh my god, I'm f***ing lost. Oh my god.
Spitters or quitters?
Look how you do the whole thing. You make me out a whole I can say is I definitely cannot feel my teeth.
Yeah. I tried. Hell, mate. Take it easy. I was thinking the same thing.